On everyone, it's Ray Santos, and right now I'm going to show you how to stake your stake token. As you can see here, you're going to make 36.4 APR. All right, a lot of people are telling me, how do you stake your tokens? And I'm going to show you how to do it on the Bitmax exchange. But before I do that, as you can see here, back in May 5th, there was only 48 people staking, and now there's over 650 people staking, and they're staking 500k stake tokens. All right, so it's growing basically every day. It grows from 48, 400, 500. So, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, if you want to know these statistics, I'm going to leave the link down below. All right, but first let's buy some stake token. As you can see here, I have 28 USDT tether, and that's how you're going to be able to buy your stake token. All right, you can only buy with USDT here. All right, so it took a little dump, but that's fine because that means it's cheaper for you and me. All right, let's see. So right here, you press this one right here. These are the right here, the green ones are the buy orders, and right here the red ones are the sell orders. So the lowest one is $1.17. The only thing I can do is it's by 23.9. Here it goes. Then you press buy stake. Boom. So now I have 23.9 stake tokens. So once you do that, you're gonna have to go to your desktop, or you can go on your phone, but you're gonna have to press desktop mode. Right, it won't let you do it on the phone, on the app. So as you can see here, I put desktop mode. There it goes. All right, so once you're there, you got to go up here where it says staking. You press that. You got to log in on your Bitmax exchange also, by the way, I forgot to mention that. Once you log in, you press staking, and then you go here and you press view now. So you can see 36.4. All right, the only thing is that if you want to take your money out of the staking, you got to pay a 0.07 fee, redeem instantly. And if you don't want to pay that fee, then it takes 7 days to undelegate. That means take the money out of the staking. So then once you have your stake, you press delegate now. It says that I have 23.9 available. And then I press all. I agree. And then another thing too, make sure it says compound, because then it's going to keep, if activated, staking rewards will be redelegated automatically. So be aware of that, okay? All right, once you do that, you press confirm. And that's it. And that's how you do it, guys. That's simple. I think right now I'm staking 176 stake tokens. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know down below. Remember, you press staking, you're gonna have to make a Bitmax account, and that's it. All right, guys, see you later.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on.